Happy afternoon, everyone. This is Doc Del once again. So this afternoon, we're going to discuss the importance of Orgamin DA to our orchids. Okay, so this is a plant nutrition booster and I purchased this from this is from Arnett Agri Organics, and this is a 1 liter Orgamin DA. So this is the focus of our discussion this afternoon, the importance of using this Orgamin DA to our plants. So what are the magic of using Orgamin DA, how our plants will transform into a healthy plants because of our constant usage of Orgamin DA. Okay, so the first reason why we have to use this Orgamin DA, because this has been having several effects on our plants. Okay, so first is for protein synthesis, no? For protein synthesis. Okay, so proteins have a structural function and a metabolic function. This is the enzymes, a transport function, and a stack of amino acid function. Okay, so only L amino acids are assimilated by plants. The amino acids are not recognized by the enzymatic locus and therefore cannot be participate in protein synthesis. So always remember that the L amino acids are only the acid that is assimilated by plants. Hence, amino acids obtained by organic synthesis are not well assimilated. So that is the first usage of an Orgamin DA to our plants. Okay. So second, for stress resistance, no? Okay. So especially if you have ordered orchids coming from National Capital Region, from island of Luzon, so before you could be able to receive the plants, of course, it underwent with this long transit. So that is the reason why our plants will be able to experience stress. So always remember that stress such as high temperature, low humidity, frost, pest attack, hailstorm, floods have a negative effect on our plant metabolism, with a corresponding reduction in crop quality and quantity, because sometimes stress can kill our plants, our orchids. The application of amino acids before, during, and after the stress condition supplies the plants with amino acid, which are directly related to stress physiology and thus has a preventing and recovering effect. So that's why if you want that your plants will easily recover from a long transit, you could be able to soak your plants or orchids with the use of this Orgamin DA. So in every 1 gallon of water, of course you have to use a soft water. In every 1 gallon, you could be able to use 1 teaspoon of this Orgamin DA. Okay. So next is on the effects of photosynthesis. Okay, so plants synthesize carbohydrates by photosynthesis. Low photosynthesis rate implies a slow growth, leading to death of our plants. So try to imagine that if our plants will only be receiving a low photosynthesis, that could lead to the death of our plants. So our plants will die in a natural death. Okay. So here, chlorophyll is the responsible molecule for the absorption of the light energy. So for that light energy will be absorbed properly, so we need to have a chlorophyll molecule. So glycine and glutamic acid are fundamental metabolites in the process of formation of vegetables, vegetable tissue, and chlorophyll synthesis. Okay, so these amino acids help to increase chlorophyll concentration in the plant, leading to a higher degree of photosynthesis that makes crops lush green. So that is the reason why we have healthy plants in the garden, very green, very lushy, and that is one of the effects of photosynthesis with the use of this orgamin DA, no? With the use of that amino acid. Okay. So the next one is action on the stomatas. Okay. So stomatas. Okay, so where can we locate stomata on our plants? Of course, on the leaves of our plants. So stomatas or stomas are the cellular structures that control the hydric balance of plant, the macro and micronutrients absorption, and the absorption of gases. So that's why in applying, even in applying fertilizer to our plants, we have to include the leaves because their photosynthesis will occur, and then the stomata could be able to help the absorption of the micronutrients coming from the fertilizer. The opening of the stomas is controlled by both external factors, so it could be light, humidity, temperature, and salt concentration. And internal factors like amino acids concentration, abscisic acid, and etc. Okay. So the stomas are closed when light and humidity are low. See? So the stomas are closed when light and humidity are low. So that's why, for example, our strap leaf banda, they have to be placed in an environment wherein they could be able to receive an ample sunlight. No, they have to be placed in a bright, what you call this, bright light. The in any any portion of your garden, as long as they could be able to receive an ample sunlight. Okay, because the stomas, again, they are closed when the light and humidity are low, and temperature and salt concentration are high. When stomas are closed, photosynthesis and transpiration are reduced. Low absorption of macro and micronutrients and respiration is increased, then carbohydrate destruction. So always remember that that carbohydrate could be able to help, no, in the photosynthesis process. So if that is the case, if the what you call this one, no, the light and humid, no, are very low, humidity are very low in the area, that could lead to the destruction of the carbohydrates. So in this case, the metabolic balance of the plant is negative. Catabolism is higher and anabolism. This implies low metabolism and stop the plant growth. So that's why there are plants in your garden, there are orchids in your garden that no matter how are you going to apply a fertilizer, still they could not be able to manage to grow. No, they became stunted, and of course, the roots are not good. The condition of the plants are not good in general. So you see now the reason why we have to use amino acid or why we have to apply amino acids to our plants. Okay, so the L-glutamic acid acts as a cytoplasm osmotic agent of the guard cells, thus favoring the opening of the stomas. Okay, so that's why there is a need for us to place our orchids or our plants in a bright space, no? Or a space in the garden where they could be able to receive an ample sunlight. Okay, so that is the action on the stomatas. Okay, so next is on the chelating effect. Okay, so what is this or what this is? Amino acid have a chelating effect on micronutrients. When applied together with micronutrients, the absorption and transportation of micronutrients inside of the plant is easier. This effect is due to the chelating action and to the effect of cell membrane permeability. L-glycine and L-glutamic acid are known to be very effective chelating agents, no? Chelating or chelating. Okay, so that is on the chelating effect on the use of amino acid. Okay, so next is on amino acids and phytohormones, no? Amino acids and phytohormones. Amino acids are precursors or activators of photo or phytohormones and growth substances. L-methionine is precursor of ethylene and of growth factors such as spermine and spermidine, which are synthesized from 5-adenosyl methionine. Okay, methionine. Then L-tryptophan is precursor for auxin synthesis. L-tryptophan is used in plants in L form only. L-tryptophan is available only if hydrolysis of protein is carried out by enzymes. If hydrolysis is carried out by acid or alkali, as done in many European countries, L-tryptophan is destroyed. So L-arginine induces synthesis of flowers and fruit-related hormones. Okay, so that is the sixth effects of amino acids on our plants. Okay. Second to the last is on pollination and fruit formation, no? Pollination and fruit formation. Okay. So here, pollination is the transport of pollen to the pistil. So fecundation and formation of the fruit is possible. L-proline helps in fertility of pollen. L-lysine, L-methionine, L-glutamic acid are essential amino acids for pollination. These amino acids increase the pollen germination and the length of the pollinic tube. Okay, so that is on pollination and fruit formation. So see, it is really essential. No, it is really essential for us to be able to use this Orgamin DE or apply an amino acid for our plants or for our orchids. Okay, and the last one is on the equilibrium of soil flora. Okay, so equilibrium of soil flora. Okay, so the equilibrium of the microbial flora of the agriculture soil is basic question for a good mineralization of the organic matter and also for a good soil structure and fertility around the roots. Okay. So L-glutathione is precursor growth factors that stabilize the cell walls of the microbial flora. Okay. So try to see if you could be able to absorb all the 8 effects of amino acids to our plants. And this is the reason why it is significant, why we have to use this Orgamin DE, because this is a concentrated one. No? This is a water-based amino acid, water-based product, and this will only be mixed with the water. So, again, so what are the 8? No, what are the 8 effects of amino acids to our plant? First, for protein synthesis. Second, stress resistance. Third, effect of photosynthesis. 4, action on the stomas. 5, chelating effect. 6, amino acids and photo or phytohormones. 7, pollination and fruit formation. And the last one is equilibrium of soil flora. So those are the 8 functions or 8 effects of amino acids to our plants. So that's why this is the very reason why I never failed to use Orgamin DE for my orchids, no? So because this is a plant nutrition booster, all we have to do is we are going only to use this for what you call this one. We are going to mix this with soft water, and then after that we could be able to spray directly this to the roots and the leaves of our orchids. Okay, so I hope that you learn I hope that you have a significant learning this afternoon, especially on the use of Orgamin DE. Anyways, if you want to ask where to purchase this one, you could always buy this one from Lazada or Shopee. Or you could be able to contact Miss Dali Abrera, no? Miss Dali Abrera, and she could be able to have you this one. And of course, Orgamin DE is one as well of the mixture when we are going to have our aggressive feeding for our orchids. So that is all for this afternoon, and thank you so much for watching. So actually I have here all the this not actually all, but these are the fertilizers, that I am using for my orchids. So I have here hydrogen peroxide and everything. So I have also here RBB. I have here a orchid balance. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching. God bless, bye bye, and stay safe always. Until next time.